Welcome to the YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub, your one-stop solution for expert guidance, best practices, and actionable knowledge in the world of contact centers. Explore, learn, and enhance contact center skills. Welcome to this presentation on improving first call resolution, or FCR. Achieving high FCR requires a structured framework that brings together four key elements. The first is process optimization, where workflows are simplified and escalation paths are streamlined. The second is agent training, ensuring frontline teams have the skills, product knowledge, and authority needed to resolve issues the first time. The third is technology adoption, integrating tools like CRM platforms, knowledge bases, and ticketing systems to support efficient problem solving. And finally, the fourth is AI-powered solutions, which provide real-time suggestions, predictive insights, and automation to help agents deliver faster, more accurate resolutions. Together, these levers create a measurable and sustainable path to higher FCR, improved efficiency, and stronger customer satisfaction. The first strategy to improve first call resolution is to strengthen agent training and knowledge management. It begins with comprehensive onboarding programs. New agents must be trained thoroughly on products, services, company policies, and the most common troubleshooting scenarios they will encounter. This foundation ensures they enter customer interactions with confidence and competence. Next is the importance of ongoing learning and refresher courses. Regular coaching sessions on soft skills such as active listening, empathy, and structured problem solving allow agents to continuously refine their ability to resolve issues correctly the first time. Equally important is having a centralized knowledge base. By providing an easy-to-navigate repository with FAQs, process scripts, and troubleshooting guides, agents can quickly access reliable information while on a live call. This eliminates guesswork and ensures consistent, accurate resolutions. The impact of these measures is twofold. They significantly reduce incorrect resolutions caused by knowledge gaps, and they enhance agent confidence and accuracy in handling customer concerns during the first interaction. Ultimately, a well-trained agent supported by robust knowledge resources is one of the strongest levers for achieving higher first call resolution. The second strategy to improve first call resolution is to optimize processes and escalation workflows. The first step is to empower frontline agents. By giving them the authority to handle common exceptions, such as refunds, credits, or cancellations, we eliminate the need for unnecessary escalations. This not only speeds up resolutions but also builds customer trust by avoiding frustrating delays. The next step is to simplify escalation paths. When an escalation is unavoidable, the process should be streamlined with clear ownership, defined responsibilities, and service-level agreements to prevent customers from being bounced between multiple departments. Finally, it's essential to standardize resolution procedures. Creating pre-approved steps for recurring issues ensures consistency, minimizes errors, and enables agents to resolve common queries quickly without waiting for managerial approvals. The impact of these improvements is substantial: higher first call resolution rates, faster handling times, better customer satisfaction, and lower cost per contact. In short, optimizing processes and escalation workflows removes friction, empowers agents, and ensures customers experience a smoother, more efficient service. The third strategy to strengthen first call resolution is to improve call routing and queuing systems. The first step is skill-based routing. By directing customers to agents who are specifically trained for their type of query or product line, we minimize misrouting errors and ensure faster, more accurate resolutions. Next is IVR optimization. A streamlined, well-structured IVR menu helps customers reach the right department or team on the very first attempt, without endless transfers or unnecessary confusion. In addition, VIP or high-priority queues can be established for key customer segments. Prioritizing these interactions not only prevents repeat contacts but also reduces churn risk and strengthens customer loyalty. The overall impact of these improvements is clear. When customer queries are aligned with the right agent from the start, misrouting delays are eliminated, resolution accuracy improves, and customer satisfaction rises significantly. The fourth strategy to improve first call resolution is to use AI and automation tools. One powerful enabler is AI-powered knowledge suggestions. Real-time prompts and recommended solutions provide agents with immediate guidance, helping them resolve issues more quickly and accurately during the first interaction. Next, we have chatbots and self-service options. By deflecting routine inquiries through automation, agents are freed up to focus on complex cases where first contact resolution has the greatest impact. This not only improves efficiency but also enhances the customer experience. Another important capability is predictive analytics. By analyzing repeat call patterns, organizations can proactively identify common issues and address them before they escalate into multiple customer contacts. The overall impact is clear: reduced call volumes, higher agent availability, and improved FCR performance across all queues. In essence, AI and automation transform both customer and agent experiences by making first call resolution smarter, faster, and more sustainable. The fifth strategy to improve first call resolution is to enhance CRM and system integration. The first step is building a unified agent desktop. By integrating CRM, ticketing, and communication platforms into a single interface, agents no longer need to toggle between multiple systems. This reduces delays, prevents errors, and allows them to focus on solving the customer's issue. Equally important is real-time data access. When agents have a complete view of the customer's history, past interactions, and preferences on one screen, they can quickly diagnose problems and deliver personalized solutions during the first contact. The impact of these improvements is powerful: faster problem diagnosis, higher resolution accuracy, and fewer repeat contacts. In short, seamless system integration transforms the agent experience, enabling quicker, more effective resolutions that directly raise FCR performance. The sixth strategy to strengthen first call resolution is to monitor metrics and establish strong feedback loops. The first step is using FCR dashboards and reporting. By tracking performance at the agent, team, call type, and product level, leaders can identify where gaps exist and design targeted interventions. Next, customer feedback surveys play a critical role. Post-call CSAT or short pulse surveys help compare internal FCR tracking with the customer's actual perception of whether their issue was resolved. This dual perspective prevents blind spots and gives a more accurate measure of success. Finally, root cause analysis is essential. Every failed first call resolution should be examined to determine whether the issue stemmed from process gaps, insufficient training, or system limitations. Closing these loops ensures the same problem does not repeat. The impact is long-term and sustainable: data-driven improvements, continuous refinement, and steady gains in FCR performance over time. The seventh strategy to improve first call resolution is effective workforce management and staffing. It begins with accurate forecasting. By predicting call volumes correctly, organizations can right-size staffing levels, ensuring agents are not rushed during peak periods. This allows them to focus on delivering complete and accurate resolutions. Next is cross-training agents. By equipping agents with multi-skill capabilities, they can handle a wider range of issue types. This reduces unnecessary transfers and callbacks, while also increasing flexibility in managing different queues. The overall impact is significant: balanced workloads, greater focus on resolution quality, higher agent morale, and stronger retention. In short, when workforce management is proactive and staffing is optimized, both customer experience and FCR performance improve. The eighth strategy to improve first call resolution is proactive communication. One approach is outbound notifications. By informing customers in advance about known outages, upcoming policy changes, or potential delays, organizations reduce the need for customers to call in for updates. This transparency builds trust and minimizes avoidable contacts. Another important step is follow-up automation. Automated post-resolution confirmations through email, SMS, or app notifications reassure customers that their issue has been resolved successfully. This prevents unnecessary callbacks driven by uncertainty. The overall impact is clear: proactive communication reduces repeat calls, improves customer confidence, and strengthens the perception of reliability in every interaction. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel, Contact Center Knowledge Hub. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.